Good morning, kids. Today I am going to tell you a story about importance of time. Yes, we need to value time. Time once gone cannot come back. So, let's read the story and understand how important time is. So, the story today that I am going to tell you is about late Leo. So, let's read. Leo was a lazy boy. He always put off things for late. He would get up late and make himself even more late by singing in the shower all the time. His mother often had to drop him to school because Leo always missed his school bus. So now this is a story about Leo. Leo is a boy who is very lazy, who gets up late, then he keeps on singing songs while having bath, and that makes him more late, and he misses his school bus. So every day or most of the days his mother has to drop him to school. One day his father called Leo. Leo, what were you doing today? He asked. Oh, this and that, replied Leo. Did you reach school on time or did your mother drop you again? Leo went red in the face. How do you know that, father? He asked, surprised. Your teacher called me. I am very upset, Leo. You must learn to value time. All right, father, I will be careful now, promised Leo. So now the father is saying, your teacher has called me, saying that you are coming late to the school. So you start valuing time, get up on time, have bath on time, and go in the bus. So Leo is saying, I will do that. I will promise you that I will get up on time now. The next day there was a singing competition in the school. Leo sang beautifully. He did a little jig too and sang like a songbird, and the audience clapped loudly. Leo's teacher were proud of him. We will announce the winner after the holiday, announced the principal. Soon it was the holiday season. Leo loved spending time with grandparents and his puppy. But he woke up late every day. His mother tried to explain him the importance of time, but Leo did not understand that. But lazy Leo simply shrugged it off. It was holiday time after all, he thought. He would wake up on time when school starts. So now it is holidays for Leo. So now Leo is getting up late every day. The mother is trying to tell him that you should get up on time because after some days you have to go to school. So get up on time. But Leo, like ignorant boy, he just shrugged off his shoulder and said, we will see when the school opens. One day, on the last day of the holiday, there was a call from school. After speaking to Leo's teacher, his father grinned cheerfully. Then he excitedly handed the phone to Leo. So now the last day of the holiday there was a call from the school, and father answered the call and he smiled very nicely, and then he handed over the phone to Leo. Leo said, Miss Saha, congratulations, you have won the competition. Leo felt fabulous. So now school Miss Saha is saying that you have won the singing competition, and the father was very proud and happy, and the Leo was also proud and happy. We are very proud of you, she said. You must collect the prize from the school today before 3 p.m. Don't be late, Leo. But Leo was too busy singing and wasting time. Leo, you will be late, father said. Please get ready now. It was almost 4 p.m. now. Leo took ages in the bathroom. His father waited and waited for him at the door, but Leo was late again. So Miss Saha said that you come before 3 and take your prize, but Leo was not that serious about it. He was still singing the song, dancing here and there, and he got late. Father was waiting for him that come soon, we need to go to school. I have been waiting for you. His father was annoyed. Leo felt sorry. I am sorry, father, I am ready now. They hurriedly rushed to the school. At the school, Leo was given an envelope with a ticket in it. On seeing the ticket, Leo was delighted. Not just a ticket, there was a ticket of Popman concert, Leo's favorite singer. It was spectacular show. Now they were late. Now they hurriedly reached to the school and they got an envelope. Now that envelope had a लियो's फेवरेट सिंगर्स टिकट, कॉन्सर्ट टिकट्स, बट क्योंकि लियो लेट था तो कुछ नहीं हो पाया. बट द हॉरर, लियो लुक्ड एट द टाइम, द टिकट वॉज यूजलेस नाउ. द शो हैज स्टार्टेड एट 4 PM. द वेन्यू वॉज फार अवे एंड लियो वुड नेवर मेक इट ऑन टाइम. सो वो टिकट जब खोल के देखा तो शो तो 4 बजे का था और लियो तो 4 बजे ही स्कूल पहुँचे थे. एंड ही सेइंग कि वहाँ से तो कॉन्सर्ट का वेन्यू भी बहुत दूर है. ही वुड नॉट बी एबल टू रीच ऑन टाइम. Oh no, I missed my show. It's all my fault, realized Leo. We can't possibly reach now, he added. So now he's saying it's all my fault. I was late singing, dancing, and now we can't reach on time. No son, we can't. You lost out on something that you would have loved. Like I said, you should always value time and be punctual, said father. Your principal had told you to reach by 3 PM. His father reminded him. Leo was upset and tears came rushing down his cheeks. Next day, the school reopened. Principal announced Leo's name in the winner as the winner of the singing competition and disclosed the prize. Tell us, how was the concert, Leo? Principal asked. I was late for the concert, sir. I missed the show, Leo murmured. Everybody started laughing at him. So now father said, now we can't reach on time, Leo. You are late. So Leo felt bad and he started crying. So next day when the school reopened, the principal in the assembly said, Leo has won the singing competition and we gave him a prize. So the principal asked Leo, how was the concert? Did you enjoy it? So Leo said, I was late. I could not go there. And everybody started laughing because everybody knows that Leo is always late. Leo finally learned the value of time. From that day on, he never wasted time. He always woke up on time to be ready for the day. Yes, children, after this, when Leo missed this opportunity of listening to his favorite singer, he realized that time is value. And after that, he did not waste it any time. He got up on time, got ready for school, and he was punctual on things. That is what importance of time is, children. Every second, every minute, every hour is important for you. Utilize it to the best of your ability. Don't waste time. Okay, children? Because time once gone will never come back again. So study, play, eat on time, sleep on time, exercise on time. It is not that you are on holiday so you get up at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. Get up on time. What was the school time? Get up on time and do your daily routine work, okay, like good children. That was the story about valuing time. You read the lesson thoroughly. I will see you again in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care.